Wanda Grange Toyota doing a short walk around on the 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is equipped with your front tow hooks. You have your fog lamps, your 17-inch wheels and tires. You also have your step bars, your power side mirrors, along with your luggage rack. It's also equipped with your towing package. Your interior is beige leather. It's in great condition. You also have your power windows and door locks, your power driver's seat, your sunroof, along with your garage door openers. You have your AM/FM radio CD player, climate controls. You have just over, it's 136,000 miles on this vehicle. If you'd like to come by and test drive it, please feel free to give me a call. You can reach me here at 706-882-2963. Again, this is Wanda Grange Toyota here on Lafayette Parkway at 706-882-2963. Thank you.